Hello, guys. I have the world's tiniest captain. Watch this.
What are you doing? Bobby? Oh, yep. Oh, yeah. You can't use water. The big fat Iron Man. You can't. It doesn't work. You want to stop him?
Here you go. Hey, went up. Let's go.